Welcome to Thursday. This is week 8 and we are in the mood for Moroccan food. So what we have today is grilled salmon and some Chermoula sauce. Now for the grilled salmon, what we did is we marinated it in some olive oil, salt, pepper, lemon zest and some cumin powder. And that's it. We kept it for 2 hours and then we skewered it. But before skewering, we put these skewers into water for about 2 hours so that it doesn't burn. For the Chermoula sauce, what we have here is coriander, cumin, smoked paprika and some cayenne pepper, smashed garlic, lemon juice. Then we have some olive oil, 2 types of herbs, so parsley and coriander, salt and pepper. So what we will do is we will heat these up, the spices along with the chili peppers, so that it's fragrant, and then we'll put it into the food processor and blend it. Very simple sauce, but very tasty. To go with the salmon, we have a salad. So this is a tossed salad, very simple. So this is arugula and spinach. Along with that we have some cucumbers, some onions, some tomatoes and some herbs. And then I have a pre-bought vinaigrette here. This is avocado oil and red wine vinegar, organic, really good. And if we need a little bit more lemon, we can put that, or we can put it also on the salmon wherever we need it. One of the things with these vegetables are I put a little bit of salt and kept it. The reason for that is then the water will come out and it will not be soggy when we put it into the salad. So we'll drain the vegetables and then put it in. Very simple tossed salad. So we'll do the salad first. So I have the thinly sliced onions. So make sure that I don't take all the water. So you can see that there's water here that would have diluted my dressing. The same with cucumber. Cucumber has a lot of water, so just press it and then toss it in. See how much water has come out from the cucumber. The same with the tomatoes. Again, we don't want the juices, we just want the tomatoes. So just squeeze it in, squeeze out the water, and then we put in the herbs and the vinaigrette, and then we'll toss it. Once we have finished tossing it, we'll put it in the fridge. We'll taste it, make sure there is enough salt and pepper, and then we will put it in the fridge till the skewers are done. So let's taste it. Herby, vinaigrette, olive oil, so really good. Sorry, avocado oil, no olive oil in this. So that's it. The griddle is smoking hot. So what we will do here is put a little bit of spam and then rub it off quickly. Skewers. Heat up the coriander, the cumin and the paprika. So we just heat that up, and then as it heats up and gives up an aroma, everything in the food processor and blend and process it. In the food processor, we'll put in both the herbs. So that's coriander, parsley, garlic, the lemon juice, the spices, the heated spices, generous amount of salt, and pepper. We'll start the food processor, and then I have about 4 ounces of olive oil, so I'll slowly drizzle this in. Yeah, this tastes really good. I don't need any more salt or pepper, so we'll serve this with the fish. So the fish is done on one side. We'll turn this over. Has a beautiful golden color, and you can see it's not sticking. So that's a good sign that it's done on that side. We'll let this cook on this side for another 2-3 minutes, and then we'll take it out. So let's check if these are done. Yeah, these are, you can see these are beautiful colors. The inside looks lovely. So these are done. We'll turn it off and then we'll serve it. There you have it. Salmon with Chermoula sauce and a tossed salad. So that's our Thursday night Moroccan dinner. Thank you for watching my videos. Bon appetit and have a great night. See you tomorrow.